Welcome to OKX, your fortress of crypto security. Let's explore how we protect your digital assets. OKX employs multi-layered login protection, passwords, email verification, and mandatory two-factor authentication. We enhance your account security further with Google Authenticator and mobile verification for extra protection. Our unique anti-phishing code system unmasks potential threats before they can reach you. OKX employs a cold wallet strategy, keeping the majority of your assets safely offline. Hot wallets are protected by SSL encryption and advanced security protocols, ensuring your funds are always secure. Introducing the OKX Risk Shield, your safety net in the unpredictable world of crypto. We use semi-offline multi-signatures for deposits and withdrawals, ensuring no single point of failure. Private keys are stored in RAM, not permanent memory, making unauthorized access nearly impossible. Our emergency backup procedures ensure your assets remain safe and accessible, even in unforeseen circumstances. OKX provides proof of reserves, allowing you to verify that your assets are always accounted for. Beyond trading, we implement robust KYC verification, mobile app security, and stringent information protection measures. OKX, more than an exchange, it's your fortress in the crypto landscape, offering unparalleled security and trust. Ready for ultimate protection? Click below to create your OKX account and secure your digital assets today.